I want to start from where Honorable Korere ended. Mr. Speaker, though I can tell that the majority will have their way, and we also are in a relationship that we demand respect. So Wiper got their share, and from here, Jubilee was supposed to get their share. So we are not saying Omogeni is not qualified. He's actually my friend. All we were asking, Mr. Speaker, but I know I'll not have my way because the majority want we proceed and have the commissioners, is that we would have been given time as a coalition to sit down and agree on a way forward. And I know it's not possible.
Sabina Chege, for the record, the chair overindulged your coalition to bring the names, and we took a lot of time. I'm not inviting him to say anything. So the issue of time is neither here nor there.
Okay. Mr. Speaker, that's why I said I can also read the mood of the House. And I can tell everybody once we move on. But it's good and important to go on record, as we also blame our coalition partners, ODM. Mr. Speaker, Jubilee Party cannot be sending 2 or 3 letters on one issue giving different instructions, Mr. Speaker. So, Mr. Speaker, I just want to address, and I'm nominated by Jubilee Party, Mr. Speaker. I want to address my party and say, put your act together. Even on the issue, Mr. Speaker, of Yala, we had 3 letters coming from the same party and giving different names. Allow me to speak. I will speak like that because the reality of the matter is we gave the name of Aluke. We also gave a different name altogether as one party. If we are writing a letter, it should be one letter addressing an issue and not again going back and deceiving other people, Mr. Speaker. So as we blame ODM, and I would have loved, and I wish the leadership had the Speaker, because I also reached out to the Speaker, I reached out to you, Mr. Speaker, and I would have loved that we don't clean our dirty linen in public, that we are given just this weekend to sit down as a coalition. But because that will not happen, Mr. Speaker, that's why I said I will choose to address my party. Let us put our act together. I thank you, Mr. Speaker.